All right, let's talk about it. If you're an online business owner and you're not on YouTube yet, you're leaving money, leads, and authority on the table, period. And before you roll your eyes like, not another person telling me to start a YouTube channel, listen. I have proof that YouTube works even when you stop publishing videos. We ran a YouTube channel for 3 years consistently and then walked away. No new videos, no updates, just let it sit. And 2 years later, we've gained 9,000 more subscribers and almost 4,000 new email subscribers without doing a thing. So if you want to create content on a platform that grows your business on autopilot, not one that disappears after 24 hours, you're going to want to hear this. Hi, I'm Paige, a photographer, video producer, and YouTube strategist, and I help online business owners use YouTube to get leads and look like a pro on camera. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm breaking down why this is the year to stop putting it off and start your YouTube channel, even if you're starting from scratch. I'm also sharing some real proof from business owners just like you who are making sales directly from their YouTube channel. Oh, and if you're serious about this, I have something for you that'll help, but more on that later. Let's dive in. I already know what some of you are thinking. Isn't YouTube already too saturated? No. In fact, it's the opposite. YouTube is still growing, and while everyone is focused on short form content, there's a huge gap for quality long form video. And guess what? You're probably still stuck on Instagram and TikTok. Here's the problem with that. Instagram is unpredictable. They change the algorithm every 5 seconds and your engagement isn't guaranteed. If it's anything like mine, it feels like it's practically non-existent at times. TikTok is volatile. It's facing bans, legal battles, and government scrutiny, which means if your business is relying on TikTok, you're at the mercy of politics and policy changes. YouTube is stable and it's owned by Google. It prioritizes searchable evergreen content, so your videos can drive traffic for years. We've proven this firsthand. Our channel, Adulting Shouldn't Suck, stopped publishing in 2022. At that time, we had 11,000 subscribers. Fast forward to now, we're at over 20,000. We have literally almost doubled in size, doing nothing because YouTube keeps your content alive. If you think YouTube is just about getting subscribers, let me stop you right there. A business owner I worked with recently checked their WooCommerce analytics and saw that YouTube was directly responsible for some of their sales. Another client, she literally got a DM saying, "Hey, I watched several of your YouTube videos and decided I had to buy your course." Think about that. This wasn't a cold lead. They weren't just casually scrolling Instagram. They searched for something, found her content, trusted her enough to buy, and took action. That's the power of long form video. It builds real connection. Here's the thing. People buy from people they trust, and nothing builds trust faster than seeing and hearing someone talk to you. Long-form video is the closest thing to sitting across from your audience in real life. Your potential clients can watch you explain things, see your face, hear your voice, and say, "I like this person and I trust them." And when it comes time to make a move, guess who they remember? You. On social media, people are mindlessly scrolling past hundreds of faces every day. On YouTube, they're actively searching for answers, choosing to watch your video, and spending 5, 10, or even 20 minutes with you. And that is so powerful. And this is how business owners are turning cold traffic into paying clients without having to show up and post every single day. You can create a piece of YouTube content once and it will work forever. Right about now, you might be thinking, "Paige, I don't have time. I don't know what to say. I hate being on camera," or "I don't have fancy equipment." Sound familiar? Cool. Now let me debunk every single one of those. You don't need to post weekly. It is ideal, yes, but even one video per month can generate leads for years. You already have content. Every question that your client asks, that's a video. You don't have to be a pro. You'll get better with every video you create. And if I'm being perfectly honest, no one will likely watch your first few videos anyway, so you may as well get the practice in before you have subscribers. Your phone and a cheap microphone will work for now. Put it on a stack of books, leaning up against a water bottle, and face a window. Your equipment is not an excuse, so start with what you have and upgrade later. I get it. YouTube can feel overwhelming when you don't know where to start. Let me try to break this down and make it simple for you. Here's the process that I teach. Step 1, define your channel strategy. Who is your audience? What problem do you solve? What's your goal? Step 2, research and plan your first 8 videos. Don't skip the research process. You want to create videos that people are actually searching for. Step 3, batch record your videos. Inside my course, I show you how to set up your camera, lighting, and audio like a pro, even when you're using just your phone. Step 4 is optimize and upload. That's SEO, thumbnails, titles. This is how you get your videos to start ranking and driving leads. This is the simplified version of the process I use with my clients, and it's what I teach inside of YouTube for Business. If you want the full system, templates, and support to actually make this happen, the link is in the description to learn more. Whatever you do, don't overcomplicate it. Just start. Tell me in the comments, what's been stopping you from starting your YouTube channel? I actually do want to know. And if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Your future clients are already searching for what you offer. You just need to show up so you can be found. To help, I've got a free YouTube channel setup checklist linked in the description. It's the exact steps to set up your channel so that you can get started the right way from the very beginning. I'll see you in the next video.